Um, Lasobuka question 3 question paper March 2016 tibhale KZN. A soft ball with a mass of 0.3 kilograms is projected vertical upward from the roof of 45 meters tall building with a velocity v. It hit the balcony below with a velocity of 29.36 meters per second. Bounces off with a velocity of 13.77 meters per second. The balcony is 12 meters above the ground, as shown below. Ignore the effect of air friction. La sitshela ukuthi ibhola lisuka lapha kwi-top of the building liya phezulu, malibuya phezulu lifike lapha kwi-balcony libhawunse. Malifika laphayana kwi-balcony, i-velocity yokufika u-29.36 meters per second. Mase libhawunsa liya phezulu lisuka nge-velocity ewu-13.77 meters per second liye phezulu until lize liyofika kwi-ground. Ebhalkhoni mawusuka kwi-ground ufika kwi-balcony u-12 meters. Kodwa ukusuka phansi kwi-ground uzofika kwi-top of the building ku-45 meters. So sizokhetha ukuya phezulu as positive. Sizokhetha ukuya phezulu as positive. Okay. Shuthi ibhola lizosuka nge-velocity positive. Shuthi yonke le section ka-AB udelta y wethu uzoba positive. I-velocity yokuya phezulu uzoba positive. Kuleli side elingapha udelta y wethu uzoba negative. I-velocity yokufika kuleli side elingapha uzoba negative. Shuthi lapha ibhola lizofika ngo-negative 29.36. Mase lisuka liya phezulu at point D lizosuka ngo-positive 13.77 liye phezulu. Nakhona futhi la point D to point E udelta y wethu uzoba positive ngoba ibhola lizobe liya phezulu. I-velocity izoba positive. Mase lehla kuleli side elingapha from point E to F delta y wethu uzoba negative. U-V wethu uzoba negative. Sazi at maximum height i-velocity yebhola ikubo-0. 0 meters per second nala i-velocity ifika kubo-0. So uma ukusuka kwi-top of the building uzofika phansi kwi-ground ku-45, kodwa ukusuka kwi-balcony uyofika kwi-ground ku-12. Shuthi ukusuka kwi-top of the building uyofika kwi-balcony kuzoba 45 minus 12. Shuthi kuzoba u-33 meters. So kwi-top of the building uzofika kwi-balcony. Okay. Manje i-question abasibuza yona bathi calculate the magnitude of the velocity v with which the ball was thrown from the roof of the building. So bafuna i-initial velocity, yebhola oku-v. Masi-check-a-ke so ibhola malisuka ku-point A sizolisusa ku-point A sizolifikisa ku-point C. From point A to point C, initial velocity u-v. So final velocity at point C ibhola lifika ngo-minus 29.36 meters per second. Okay, i-displacement yebhola Okay, ibhola leli lizohamba liye phezulu liphinde libuye. So i-displacement yala mawusuka ku-point A uzofika la, i-displacement u-0 la, ngoba ibhola lizohamba liphinde libuye. So kushuthi ukuya phezulu minus ukuya phansi kusinikeza u-0. Kushuthi kahle kahle ibhola i-portion elizoyihamba yile kuphela. Ewubani? ewu-33 meters. Mase siyayibuza lizoyihamba seliya kuphi le distance ewu-33 meters. Lizoyihamba seliya phansi. Khumbuleke sithe mase lihamba kuleli side elingapha izoba negative, futhi liya in a negative direction ibhola seliya phansi. Leya portion leya kufana nokuthi lihambe la ibuya izoba u-0. Okay, now sesiyazi ukuthi ibhola lisuka nge-initial velocity ku-v phansi lifika ngo-negative 29,36 meters per second. Lizohamba i-distance ewu-negative 33 meters is. So singa-check ama-formula wethu where Vf is equal to Vi. Okay. Vf is equal to Vi plus A change in T, where Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2A change in Y. We have change in Y is equal to Vi change in T plus half A change in T squared. Sizochecka ukuthi iyiphi i-formula la singayisebenzisa. Masichecka le yokuqala, thina sifuna i-initial velocity. Masichecka kule formula yokuqala thina esinayo. Sinayo i-initial velocity, sifuna yona sinayo. Final velocity yes sinayo. I-acceleration sinayo. Khumbule, masikhetha ukuya phezulu is positive. Acceleration yethu yona izoba negative. Acceleration sinayo. Isikhathi sinaso cha sinaso. Le formula yokuqala namathikha amabili asikhona ukuyisebenzisa. Size kule yesibili. Final velocity sinayo. Yes, basinikezile. Initial velocity asinayo sifuna yona. Acceleration sinayo. Change in Y sinayo. Automatically le formula siyakhona ukuyisebenzisa. Vf squared namathikha awu-3 is equal to Vi squared plus 2A change in Y. Initial velocity of V squared, final velocity minus 29,36 all squared plus 2 minus 9,8. Displacement is about minus 33. Negative 29,36 squared kusinikeza u-862,00996. Here we have V squared 2 times 9,8 times negative 33 sinikeza positive 646,8. Then transpose along so 862,096 minus 646 8. 646,8 is equal to V squared. Then we can introduce a square root sign on both sides. Then u-V wethu azolingana nobani? 862,096 minus 646,8. Then square root of an answer usinikeza 14,67 meters per second. khumbule upwards, ngoba le i-velocity yokusuka siya phezulu and kufanele ibe positive. Question elandelayo ithi calculate the velocity with which the ball strike the ground. So sebefuna i-velocity ibhola elizofika ngayo kwi-ground lapha phansi. So sesizobuka u-section D to F. Lesibuka section D to F. Final velocity. Initial velocity masibuka ibhola silibuka from point D to point F. Initial velocity positive 13,77 meters per second. Final velocity sifuna yona. Okay, so again check-e i-displacement. Ibhola lizoya liphinde libuye, futhi le section le ngesibale, kodwa sizobala kuphela le section ezohanjwa ibhola okuzoba ubani, u-delta y uzoba u-12 meters. Why kuba u-12? Ngoba le part le ibhola lizoyihamba seliya phansi. Le point D to E phinde ubuye futhi uze la kuleli point leli, kufanele ukuthi ibhola lihambanga ngoba lihambe la ibuye kahle kahle ukuya phezulu nokuya phansi kuyalingana, kuya-subtract-ana, kusala le portion esezansi. So inakhuzana i-displacement yakhona la u-12. Since ibhola liya phansi ukuya phansi ku-negative, ingakho-ke sizothi -12 meters. So delta y sinaye, initial velocity sinayo, i-acceleration sinayo ayishintshi vele, -9,8. Kufanele sithole i-final velocity, singaphinda sisebenzise yona i-formula esiyisebenzisile, Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2a change in y. Initial velocity yethu 13,77 all squared plus 2 into 9,8, it is negative 9,8. Negative 9,8 delta y -12. So shaya lonke lento kwi-calculator, nizozikhiphela u-424,81 424,81 okay, asikafiki i-final answer. Then square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. Final velocity. Square root of an answer. So ibhola phansi lizofika ngo-20,61 meters per second. So velocity at point F zoba -20. So singasho lapho sithi downwards, ngoba ibhola beliya phansi and liya phansi velocity negative. Khumbule masithi square root sign kusho ukuthi positive or negative, i-answer yethu. So negative meters per second. Answer yethu leyo. Okay. Now our next question. Question elandelayo. Let's see. It takes 8,2 seconds from the time the ball is released from the roof until it strikes the ground. Calculate the net force that the balcony surface exerted on the ball. So sifuna i-force ibhalkhoni ezophusha ngayo ibhola. Njengoba ibhola ukusuka la lize lizofika la lizobe lisikhathi. Ibhola lizobe lisahlezi from point C to point D lihlezi. Sifuna leyo time of contact. Mhlambe singasho sithi T C to D. Sifuna leso sikhathi leso ibhola lisahlezi ukuze sizokwazi uku-calculate the force exerted by the balcony on the ball. So i-initial velocity yethu siyitholile laphaya gcine ku-14,67 meters per second positive. Okay. So indaba ithi-ke njengoba befuna i-force exerted by the balcony on the ball, kufanele sithole isikhathi esihlalwe ibhola lapha kwe-balcony, the time of contact. Ukuze sikwazi ukuthola i-time of contact, ukhumbule isikhathi sayo yonke le motion sinaso. So isikhathi sokusuka ku-point A uze uyofika ku-point F sinaso, basitshenile ukuthi u-8,2 second. So thina kufanele sithole isikhathi sokusuka ku-point A size siyofika ku-point C, sithole isikhathi sokusuka ku-point D size siyofika ku-point F, bese si-subtract-a kule total time sithole lesiya sikhathi esihlalwe ibhola kwi-balcony, the time of contact, khona sokhona uku-calculate i-force. So singabhekana i-formula esezansi. Masibuka-ke sisuka ku-point A, mhlambe sisuka ku-point A siya ku-point C. Initial velocity sinayo u-14, final velocity sinayo u-29, acceleration sinayo, singakhona ukuthola isikhathi from point A to point C. So the VF is equal to VI plus A change in T. Final velocity minus 29,36. Initial velocity 14,67 plus negative 9,8 delta T. About negative 29,36 minus 14,67 minus 14,67 is equal to minus 9,8 minus 9,8 delta T. Now sizoba 29,36 plus 14,67 sizoba no-negative 44,03 is equal to minus 9,8 delta T divided by negative 9,8 divided by negative 9,8 delta log cancel log isikhathi esisitholayo khumbule isikhathi sokusuka ku-point A siya ku-point C oku-4,49 second. Okay. Manje sekufanele sithole ke singasibhala lesi sikhathi 4,49 second. Sibhale kahle nje TAC 4,49 second. Bese sithola isikhathi again sokusuka ku-point D siyofika ku-point F. Final velocity sinayo -20, initial velocity sinayo 13,77, acceleration singasebenzisa ifomula efanayo. Point D to point F, VF is equal to VI plus A, change in T. Final velocity -20,61. Initial velocity 13,77 plus into -9,8 delta T. -20,61 minus 13,77 minus 9,8 delta T. -20,61 minus 13,77 kusinikeza minus 34,38 minus 9,8 delta T minus 9,8 divided by minus 9,8. Isikhathi sokusuka ku-D siya ku-F kuzoba ku-3,508 seconds. Okay. So sesinaso isikhathi sokusuka ku-point D siya ku-F u-3,508 second. Mase sesitholile lesi sikhathi sesizothi-ke isikhathi sokufika ku-point A sokusuka ku-point A siyofika ku-point F silingana nesikhathi sokusuka ku-point A siyofika ku-point C plus isikhathi sokusuka ku-point C siyofika ku-point D plus isikhathi sokusuka ku-point D siyofika ku-point F. And its total time 8,2. So A siyofika ku-C 4,49. Okay, ngizogcina ngaso lesi isikhathi sokusuka ku-D siyofika ku-F u-3,508 plus isikhathi sokusuka point C to D leso sisifunayo. So sesizoba no-8,2 minus 4,49 minus 3,508 then delta T from C to D. 8,2 minus 4,49 minus 3,508. Okusikhiphela u-0,202 second. Okay, so sesinayo i-time of contact. Sifanele si-calculate i-force manje. Time of contact singasho ukuthi u-0,2 or 2 second or 0,2 is okay. Now, so finally, sithole i-force exerted by the surface on the ball. So, okufanele sikuqaphele yilokhu. Sine-velocity yokufika, sine-velocity yokusuka phansi. So, i-velocity yokufika ku-point C, that is the initial velocity. Velocity yokusuka ku-point D, that is the final velocity. So sizothi F net times change in T is equal to change in momentum. The formula, such m v final minus v initial. F net isikhathi 0,2, imass 0,3 besiyinikezwe statement. Final velocity, velocity yokusuka ebalcony okupositive 13,77 minus velocity esifike ngayo minus 29,36. Close the bracket there. Okay, the 6. Okay. So into esingayenza singadivide kuyo yonke le ndawo ngo-0,2 or 0,202. F net is equal to 0,3 into 13,77 minus into minus 29,36 divided by 0,2. So F net 64,69 newtons since positive upwards. So in answer it, that is the force exerted by the surface on the ball. And the force exerted by the ball on the surface is also 64,69 newtons, but downwards. So according to Newton's third law, the ball pusher the surface now the force of 64,69 the surface futhi iphusha ngayo leyo force leyo leli bhola elisephezulu, iforce elinganayo. Okay. Siyacela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, niphinde nilike YouTube channel yethu. Siyabonga.